What's up, guys? Hopefully you just watched my September EDC video and you see there's still remnants. I just pushed everything out the way. We're gonna do a unboxing video from Hitch and Timber. Stay tuned. Alright, so I ordered 2 packages from Hitch and Timber. One came in. Let's open it and see what it is. I guess we'll use this SOG. I just bragged in that video how I like the blade and the quickness of it, so we'll use that to open the package. And I think you guys just missed all that, but it's cool. It's open, and opening it is not what you guys have tuned in for. So, oh wow, man, that's cool. That's a cool little pouch. Hitch and Timber, little drawstring canvas pouch. Got a Hitch and Timber card, thank you card. Man, I love that snake in that knife. That's like an American traditional tattoo would be. That's awesome. Got a Hitch and Timber sticker. Ah, look at that, awesome, American made. And then I ordered just 3 of their Hitch and Timber notebooks. And I think they're just plain, yeah, just plain papered. This is a grid, so it looks like they may be different. And then plain again. So you got 2 plain in their 3-pack, and then 1 grid, which is awesome. So anything else in here? Let's see. Ooh, Fisher Space Pen. Let's see which one I ordered. I'm just joking. I know which one I ordered. Let's make sure that the right one, the correct one was sent. I'm sure it was. It was. So there we go. The brass. I don't know if we can get this one open. So I ordered the brass Fisher Space Pen. I've had these pens before. This is the bullet. Let's see if there's anything under here. There is. This is the guarantee. Looks like from inventor of the space pen. And get that out. Okay. It's the story behind the Fisher Space Pen, how it's sealed, the color inks you can get in it, and all that very, very nice and boring stuff. So put that back in. So this packaging is nice too. Look at that Hitch and Timber stamp. It's pretty rad. I like that. Let's see how it writes. There we go. Writes good. Let's put it up against the wall. You guys want to see me write on the wall or up against the wall? And it writes perfect against the wall. So you guys have seen, if you're interested, 100 or more videos of these things being reviewed. So not much use in reviewing it, but just wanted to do a quick unboxing. These pads seem cool. I like them. Nothing else. It's got the Hitch and Timber snake and knife on them. So doing a video for this because yes, there's another package coming. If you watch my EDC video, you may have a small hint as to what that's going to be. This pen, because you see it has no pocket clip, is definitely not going to replace the old zebra pen here. Honestly, the old zebra pen would be hard to replace. You see the size different. This one's fully open and is just barely longer than this one. So, not saying it's going to replace it, but maybe different. We'll see. So, yeah, that was the quick unboxing. Thanks for watching. As always, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks.